On-demand home workouts are a massive trend that had an unprecedented surge in growth due to COVID-19. With gyms closing all around the world, smart home gym equipment like the Mirror have been selling like crazy. Peloton reported a 66% increase in sales for the quarter as more and more people invested in high-tech home fitness. This is just the beginning of the smart home fitness era. I'm sure most of you have heard about the Mirror on social media, TV commercials, or other marketing efforts. The ads have been all over the place. I've been a member of Orange Theory Fitness for almost 3 years now, and I love the dynamic of group training. So when I first saw an ad for the Mirror, I was instantly hooked. The classes are really similar to Orange Theory, and I always feel challenged by the workouts as well. But is the Smart Fitness Mirror really worth $1,500? Let's find out. So let's first get price out of the way. So the Mirror is definitely expensive, with the initial price being $1,500. Before you pay the full $1,500, be sure to research any promo codes that could be going on. I was actually able to save around $350 with a promo code when I purchased my Mirror a few months ago. You can also choose to make monthly payments for as low as $42 a month, which are interest-free. Now, after purchasing the Mirror, you will need to pay for the subscription, which gives you access to live and on-demand classes. The subscription comes out to $40 a month. There's also personal training options as well, which are $40 for 30-minute sessions. The Mirror also comes with a 30-day risk-free trial. So if it doesn't meet your expectations or work for you, then you can return it for a refund. The Mirror is definitely expensive, but it's actually a lot cheaper than the Peloton, which has an initial price of $2,245, along with the $40 monthly membership as well. After paying off the initial $1,500 for the Mirror, the yearly cost comes out to $480, which is for the subscription, and that's the same for Peloton. Over time, it's also a lot less expensive than having a membership at a boutique fitness studio like Orange Theory. As I mentioned earlier, I've been a member at Orange Theory for around 3 years. They have 3 different memberships, which are Basic, Elite, and Premier. The Basic plan gives you 4 classes per month, the Elite plan gives you 8 classes per month, and the Premier plan is unlimited. The Mirror, for instance, only has 1 membership, which is that $40 a month, and that comes with unlimited classes. You can take as many as you want for the same price. I was personally on the Premier plan at Orange Theory for unlimited classes, which came out to around $160 a month. So comparing the two, after the initial price for the Mirror membership is substantially cheaper. So I absolutely love Orange Theory, the challenging classes, and all my friends that I've made there. I live about 30 minutes from the closest studio now, and I have a fully work from home job. And that's the main reason, other than COVID-19, of why I started looking into home fitness solutions. Driving 30 minutes one way to take a 60-minute class was just taking too much time in my busy work schedule. However, I definitely recommend Orange Theory to anyone that loves in-person group workouts now that they're reopening. This video does not have any sponsors, and it's not sponsored by Mirror. Fitness has always been a part of my life, and I want to share that experience with you. Especially since most of us are working from home now. Staying fit, staying active, it's so vital.
You shall not pass!
I know personally, on days that I don't work out, I often feel unmotivated, and it's just really hard to be productive for the whole day. Even just getting a quick workout in as soon as I wake up, it makes such a big difference in my day. So what's so special about the Mirror that makes it any different from just following along with any at-home workout on YouTube for free? The Mirror has a carbon steel frame with a 40-inch Full HD 1080p display. The Mirror also has an omnidirectional microphone and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera, which you have the option to cover if you don't want your videos shown during live classes or personal training sessions. The setup and installation for the Mirror is extremely simple, and the delivery service will even set it up for you if you want them to. So since I purchased my Mirror around the time that COVID-19 started, I had the delivery service just take the Mirror down to my home gym in my basement, and then I did the setup for it myself. The Mirror can either be mounted to a wall, or you can use a stand that it comes with. Since my basement has thick concrete walls, I chose to just use a stand. The rest of the setup was extremely simple, and all I had to do was pair the Mirror with the Mirror app on my iPhone and then connect it to my home Wi-Fi. You can have up to 5 user profiles per household, and those are configured in the Mirror app. Setting up your profile is really simple and personalized for you. All you need to do is enter things like your name, age, height, and weight. Then select your fitness goals, abilities, the types of workouts you enjoy, Set your weekly workout goals and select your fitness equipment as well. These settings help Mirror recommend custom workouts to you. The Mirror also comes with a heart rate monitor as well, which allows you to track your calories and your heart rate throughout your workout. If you already have a heart rate monitor or an Apple Watch, you can choose to use it as well. I first started using my Apple Watch, but it didn't show my calories and heart rate on the Mirror during my workout. It accurately tracked both, and I could see the stats on the app after I completed my workout, but during my workout, they never appeared on the Mirror. So I personally have the best heart rate monitor that Orangetheory offers. I've been using it with my Mirror and it works really great. Unlike the Mirror's heart rate monitor, which you put around your waist, this one actually goes on your arm. And I usually pull it up to my bicep because I get the best tracking for it there. I've had issues with other heart rate monitors not being able to accurately track my heart rate and my calories during workouts. However, this one from Orangetheory has accurately been able to track both my heart rate and my calories during my workouts. So if the Mirror's heart rate monitor doesn't work out for you or you just don't like it, look at other options as well. So when you're working out, the instructor will be leading the class and you can also play music as well. Again, it's very much like Orangetheory regarding the coach's energy, enthusiasm, and the music options. You have the option to use either the integrated Mirror Music or Apple Music. For the integrated music, there are different categories such as pop, rock, dance, hip-hop, country, and pretty much anything. The only issue with the integrated music is that you can't create playlists, so it's completely random. Mirror also recently added Apple Music support, which allows you to select custom playlists from your Apple Music app. Apple Music has a free 3-month trial, so you can actually try it out to see if you're interested in using it over the integrated Mirror Music. When I initially started using my Mirror app, there was an option to select Spotify, which I was excited about since I've used Spotify for years. However, there was always an API max limit reached error, which is likely why they switched to Apple Music. You have the option of taking live or on-demand classes with a wide variety of workouts. There's over 70 new live classes every week, and you can take on-demand classes anytime and select from the extensive library of workouts. Mirror's goal is to have the perfect workout for everyone in your household. On the Mirror app, the Home tab displays recommended classes for you based on your workout history, upcoming live classes that you can join or schedule, featured classes, and any classes that you bookmarked. So for instance, if you were browsing classes and you found one but you wanted to take it at a later time, what you can do is you can bookmark it, then it will appear on your Home tab. On the Classes tab, you can browse on-demand classes by category and you can see there's tons of options. There's also pre-built workout programs as well. There's Beginner Challenge, Intermediate Challenge, Advanced Challenge, Expert Challenge, and so many more. The workouts range from true beginner to expert, so you can easily find classes specifically designed for any skill level. The instructors or coaches are certified from the country's top fitness studios and provide expert instruction, motivation, and live feedback as well. After opening a workout, you can then look at the profile of the instructor to learn more about them. So let's join an on-demand class and show you exactly what you came here to see. I'm going to join this 30-minute total body strength workout. One of the best aspects of the Mirror is having a lot of options for workout durations. You can take 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, or hour classes. I'm going to make sure my heart rate monitor is connected, select my music playlist, and hit start workout. My heart rate was elevated consistently and I burned a lot of calories for a 30-minute workout. As you can see, I instantly went from one exercise to another with minimal breaks. Maybe some of you can relate to this as well, but working out on my own, I usually take too many breaks or too long of breaks. Having an instructor or coach pushing you through the exercises keeps you from taking too many breaks. I try to stay in zone as much as possible to get the best out of my workouts. You can see that the coaches demonstrate each workout before you do it, and they really stress proper form, which I love. You can also see how many people are taking the class at the same time as you on demand at the bottom of the Mirror. It shows your name and city, which is really cool. Again, this is an intermediate workout. There's tons of options if you are less experienced or if you want a more challenging workout. At the end of each workout, there's cool down and stretching, which is definitely needed. After working out extremely hard and pushing yourself, you definitely need to be stretching. And you can see your results at the end of the workout and share them as well. You also have the option to upload a picture from your workout, which you can easily take a selfie in the Mirror, hit upload. If you want to share it with the community, it will actually display on the Mirror at the end of your workout and you can see everyone else's pictures as well. The Mirror is extremely convenient and a huge time saver. mainly because it's at home, but also because it offers 15, 30, 45, and 60-minute workouts. This gives you a lot of flexibility to be able to fit a class into a very busy schedule. It's so nice having the option to do a quick workout in the morning, like a 15-minute workout, do a 30-minute workout on my lunch, or do a longer one at the end of the day. The convenience is one of the best aspects of the Mirror. If you have a busy schedule or even kids, you're probably struggling to find energy or time to work out. Having a smart home fitness solution like the Mirror could be a game changer for you. Between my work from home job, freelance, and YouTube, my schedule is insane. The Mirror allows me to still fit workouts into my schedule, and it cuts out wasted travel time. If you're like me, you probably like setting goals and being able to track your progression as well. In the Mirror app, I currently have my goal set to at least 3 workouts per week. You can also open any previous workout and view statistics like calories, heart rate, and the time you were in zone. I also really love being able to compare different types of workouts that I try and see which I work the hardest in. My goal is to get the most out of all of my workouts. Fitness has always been a part of my life, and I wanted to share my experience with the Mirror. The convenience of the Mirror and the quality of workouts is really hard to beat for home fitness. Definitely let me know what you think about the Mirror in the comment section below. Good or bad, let me know what you think about the Mirror. I've went back and forth about canceling my Orangetheory membership because I've always loved actually going to the gym. I've made so many great friendships at Orangetheory, and I love the dynamic of in-person group training. Being able to push each other to reach goals and get through tough workouts is something that you get from Orangetheory and other boutique fitness studios. It's just really hard to justify paying for Orangetheory and the Mirror as well when I'm likely going to be cutting back on Orangetheory a lot because of where I live. So if you really want to work out from home and make your classes as close as possible to studios like Orangetheory, then I definitely recommend the Mirror to you. If you're on a budget or if you just really love going to the gym, then it may not be the best solution for you at the moment. If you're interested in the home gym equipment from this video that's not included with the Mirror, then check the description down below. I'm going to throw some links in there for you. I hope this video helped you make a decision, whether it's purchasing the Mirror or going a different route. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. On this end screen, I recommend checking out these videos, and be sure to hit that round subscribe button for weekly tech videos, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching, and until next time.
Yeah, jungle and the juice, man. I can feel the heat, yeah. I can feel the heat, man. I can feel the heat.